Imagine stepping outside your home and being greeted by a cozy, rustic garden makeover that turns even the smallest front yard into a welcoming retreat. From vintage accents to clever space-saving designs, we'll explore ideas that bring charm and personality to your outdoor space. Welcome to Relaxed Gardens, your home for calming, creative garden transformations. If you enjoy this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to drop your favorite idea in the comments below. Enhance your garden's vertical appeal with a rustic wrought iron trellis covered in flowering climbers. Plants like clematis, roses, or jasmine can weave through the ironwork, adding height, fragrance, and romantic charm. This is a great way to frame a doorway or mark the entrance to your garden path, making your small front yard feel lush and inviting without overwhelming the space. A moss-covered stone pathway instantly transforms a plain front yard into a tranquil retreat. The blend of natural stone and soft green moss feels timeless and serene. Not only is it visually appealing, but it also guides visitors through your garden while giving it an old-world charm. This rustic pathway works especially well in shaded or moist areas where moss thrives naturally. Give old suitcases a second life by turning them into charming flower planters. Their vintage textures and worn leather create a rustic, storybook feel that makes your garden unique. Fill them with trailing blooms, herbs, or succulents for a delightful display. Best of all, suitcase planters are portable, allowing you to rearrange your garden accents whenever you want a fresh look. Repurpose an antique wooden ladder into a tiered herb garden for your front yard. Each step becomes a perfect shelf for pots of basil, mint, lavender, and more. The vertical structure saves precious ground space while creating a textured, layered look. The aged wood and rustic finish bring authenticity to your garden makeover, making it both beautiful and functional. Complete your front yard makeover with a rustic outdoor bench topped with soft, weather-resistant cushions. The bench serves as both a decorative element and a comfortable seating spot where you can enjoy your garden. Wood or wrought iron frames with vintage finish work beautifully, blended with other rustic features, while offering a welcoming space for guests or quiet moments alone. Transform a galvanized tub into a charming garden fountain that adds both beauty and a soothing water sound to your small front yard. The rustic metal finish pairs perfectly with flowering plants and natural stone accents. This easy DIY project creates a focal point that's peaceful and inviting, making your garden a place you'll love to relax in every day. Turn an old vintage bicycle into a one-of-a-kind garden accent by adding a planter basket overflowing with blooms. The weather metal and rustic patina create a nostalgic charm that blends beautifully with any outdoor setting. Position the bicycle against a wall or along your garden path to draw the eye and add a whimsical touch. This creative decor idea works especially well in small front yards where every piece needs to tell a story. Bring timeless countryside charm to your garden with a rustic wooden wagon. This classic piece not only adds a decorative focal point, but also doubles as a planter for colorful seasonal flowers. Place it near your front entry for an instant dose of warmth and character. Wooden wagons are perfect for small front yards as they create visual interest without taking up too much space, making your garden feel fuller and more inviting. Even the smallest front yard can become a charming, rustic retreat with just a few thoughtful touches. Which of these ideas would you love to try? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Relax Gardens for more beautiful and budget-friendly garden transformations.